sofa, of course I still care. Love's never wasted when it's shared. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So when I say quick and easy, I really mean quick and easy. Well, when it comes to the structure of this video anyway. So for the chords that we're going to be using for this song, it's going to be these four chords right here. All in all, we've got D sharp major 7 chord, F sharp minor 7, G minor 7, and then the G sharp major 7 chord. You want to play it like that for the song? I got you. So when it comes to the plucking pattern, it's basically just a series of countings and just plucking the strings one at a time like so. So for these ones, for all of the chords actually, we're just going to be plucking the A string, D string, G string, as well as the B string all together for each chord in the progression. So with that said, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And it's going to be like this. It's going to be D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then once again, D sharp major 7 chord for 1 count, 1, F minor 7 chord for 1 count, G minor 7 chord for 1 count. It's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 1 count. It's going to be 1, then 4 counts of the G sharp major 7 chord. After that, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Back into the G minor 7 chord for 4 counts. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you just do the countings and then plot the chords accordingly based on this chord progression right here, you're gonna be alright. And that's going to be your song basically for a total of 26 repetitions from start to finish. Although there's kind of like a violin kind of pad string instrumental at the very intro of the song. So, but aside from that, that's going to be the entire song basically from start to finish. So once again, it's going to be the D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Wrong counting, my bad. It's by fours. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that we're going to be counting by fours. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the gist. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once again, D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Waiting it out. The counting is going to be like this. Starting it again on the 1 count for the G sharp major 7 chord. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be a G minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And that's the entire chord progression pretty much. And yeah, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Back on your sofa, of course I still care. Love's never wasted when it's shared. And although it's over, I'll always be there. Only have a couple of minutes, 'cause we're going back to real life. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that more of you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials or any other video for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.